Hello, PE students. This is just another weekly video explaining what the secret code is for the week and explaining, what to expect with this week and the weekly calendar activities and things like that. First and foremost, I just want to remind you that if you did not complete the week 29 calendar weekly reflection, that you no longer can turn that one in. You had 3 weeks to get it turned in, and now we are officially past that point, which means that you have missed that deadline. It will remain as missing for your fourth quarter grade. Okay, so please make sure that you're keeping up with them so that you aren't scrambling last second, because if you try to scramble last second, it's not going to work. So just a reminder with that. This week for the secret code, last week on Thursday, April 22nd, it was Earth Day. And what I want you to do for this week's secret code is I want you to tell me something that you love about the Earth. Okay, like maybe you really love the beach, or maybe you really love, you know, flowers, or maybe you really love like all the different animals or volcanoes or the ocean or something like that. Whatever it is that you kind of appreciate about the earth, that is what I want you to put for the secret code for this week. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, take care. Bye.